I'm here at AutoZone. Like I said, a couple things I want to check out real quick. As far as, I just really want to read some things because Valvoline be, they'll give you a curveball, man. They throw you a curveball quickly. So what I want to do is take a look at some fluid oil change. We're talking about oil change in the 3.6, the Pentastar. They say it's rep was talking about some super synthetic oil that can use that will prevent the 3.6 ticking noise. Okay, where is it at? Okay, we're in the oil section. I think this is it right here. 5W20. Yes, a lot of the 3.6 take 520. Okay, and on top, it's the highest one up here. All right, so he's telling me, is this one? Yeah, this one right here. Let's read this, guys. I was told that this can prevent your 3.6 from ticking. Now, guys, I've said this time and time again. It depends on what's causing the ticking. Okay, enhanced anti-wear additives, full synthetic formula, extra detergent, premium silver. Yes, guys, as far as the ticking go, it all depends on what's causing the ticking. Okay, so oh boy, nothing's nothing is gonna fix. No oil additives can fix mechanical rocker arm failure. Okay, now I don't think he understands what's causing the ticks. Okay, because if the ticks is caused by lash adjuster, then yeah, synthetic oil or better oil blend or stuff like that. Yes, that could be the case, but you got to understand what's causing the tick. In other words, the car needs to be diagnosed and determine why the tick is even there. Okay, if it's rocker arms, no. Using that oil is not going to stop your car from ticking. I hate when people mislead other people. Okay, and here's another thing I want to look at. I was told this stuff worked good for getting rid of shutters. Now, y'all know that earlier built 62 TEs, they had problems with right at 40 to 50 miles an hour, the whole car would just shake. Torque converter shutter. It's totally being misdiagnosed as suspension noise, wheel out of balance. Man, I've seen our own mechanics misdiagnose shaking car. They never got out of the customer when the shake happens, so they would end up replacing all these suspension parts, and all along the shake occurred at 40 miles per hour. You got to understand what's going on at 40 miles per hour, guys. The transmission go into what we call lockup mode. Okay, that is designed to give you a good ratio. The whole goal in that is the fuel economy. Okay, better gas mileage, but it wasn't happening. It doesn't happen all the time, so that's why you would get the shutter at say 40 miles an hour, because that's when the computer will attempt to lock it under certain conditions, such as your foot steady on the gas and you're cruising, okay, a certain speed. Then the transmission will try to put the computer will try to put the transmission in lockup mode. Okay, and that's when the shutter would occur, but it is internal to the torque converter. At least the problem was. So a lot of the techs was replacing suspension parts, but I've heard that stuff helps get rid of shutter. So y'all know, because I'm a dealer tech, I don't have much experience with the aftermarket world, what's going on, what works, this, that, and the other, because we can't indulge in trickery type stuff. We on the strict rules, lawsuit prone, all kinds of stuff. But this oil, man, guys, yeah, it's the highest price oil over here, $41 for 5 quarts. This will help. This will get rid of your ticking noise. Stop it, people. Stop it. No oil blend will magically put that broken rocker arm back together and stop your ticking noise. It's mechanical at that point. It's not hydraulic or anything like that. None of this stuff up here. It's a lot of oil additives. None of this will get rid of your ticking. If you're already ticking, you're already gone. You already have internal problems. It was one up here said stop tick. No, it's not gonna stop it. And again, guys, it's if only if it's a hydraulic problem. Okay, so yeah. So I guess what I'm saying could be misleading. It depends on what's causing the tick. Let me put it like that. All right, let me end it like that because this topic can go on and on, and I don't want it to go on and on because I seem to have hit home on what's the deal. Okay, if it's a hydraulic problem, yeah, oil blend could help with that. If it's a mechanical rocker arm failure, no, a lubrication blend can do nothing for that. But guys, if you have shutter, I can stand by this because I've stuck this in one car. Customer didn't have no money for a torque converter, so she brought this to me, had me put it in. She could have put it in herself, but I ended up putting it in, test drive it. I think it bonds to the converter, to the clutches in the converter. I don't know what it do, but I can speak on it. I don't speak on nothing until I have used it. But I stuck this in a car one time, and the shutter went away temporarily. All this stuff is designed for temporary uses, okay? All right, so I saw what I needed to see. I really wanted to take a look at that Valvoline, see what they're talking about. And plus, I'm over here anyway. I had to go by Publix. So I'm on break time, guys. BT with JT. So let me go. I'm going to grab me something to eat over here at Publix. Publix, AutoZone is right by Publix. So I figure I can kill two birds with one stone. No, typically I get an hour break. I don't want to even be gone an hour. The job right down the street. Public is right down the street. AutoZone right down the street. I killed two birds with one stone. BT with JT. And I'm going to wrap this up, guys. For the record, let me say this one more time. Out of the store, I can speak loud and clearly, just in case you didn't hear me. There's no secret formula, additive, blend, super synthetic, Castrol 0W155,000 slick type oil out there that's going to eliminate or is going to stop. And when I say stop, I mean if you're already ticking, there's none of what I just mentioned can stop that. The only way you're going to stop that is replace the mechanically broken parts. In a Pentastar engine case, it's likely rocker arms. That's the only way you're going to get rid of that noise. Stop being tricked or fooled by these companies that's trying to sell parts. All right, I ain't calling no name because they all are potential sponsors. I don't want to get on nobody's bad side, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm finna go into Publix. I don't think you should be filming while you're in Publix, so I don't want to do that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and grab me. Y'all know what? I got a taste for some watermelon. What y'all know about that watermelon? Y'all eat watermelon? It's hot. I'm gonna grab me a bag of these grapes, some fruits. Let me go, man. This is an automotive channel. I can't be in here talking about fruits and stuff. So, guys, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Oh, and I'll see y'all in the next video.